glad you're watching this video today. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe for more videos. And in case you have any comments, you can feel free to send it to us. We're still going to be looking at simplifying indices. Now we have this question here on the board. It says simplify by adding the indices. Simplify by adding the indices. Now, so what we are simply told to do is to not to work by expansion but by adding. So how do we do that? Look at it. Now, even if you were not told that you should do by adding, imagine you're just asked to evaluate this. The quickest way to solve this is by adding the indices, because anytime you are multiplying the same terms, you are always asked to advised to add the indices. Now we have the first question. A is 2p7 times p3 times 5. Now if you have such a question like this, the first thing to do is to separate the terms. So we have 2 times p. I always say there's a multiplication here, so the separation between 2 and p is a multiplication sign you introduce. 7p times 5. Now what you do is you take away the numbers one side, so we have 2 times 2 and 5. 2 times 5 times p7 times p3. So the numbers one side. 2 times 5 is 10 times, now this is a power, please, this is a power. So what we're going to do is this: we'll pick one of the p's since they are the same. One of the laws of indices says that if the terms are the same, that's multiplicative law, or law of multiplication. If you have the same terms multiplying each other here, you pick one of the terms and add the power. So 7 plus 3, we have 10 times p. 7 plus 3 is 10. So we're going to have 10 times p, this p raised to the power of 10, going to be 10 p raised to the power of 10. So you are done with this. The solution to this question. We have the second one, B, 2y raised to the power of 3 times y times 6. So the same way you separate them, 3 times y times 6. So we separate this. Now what you do is still pick the numbers aside, bring them to one side, multiply collection of like terms, times y times y. Now 2 times 6 is 12 times, now you have the same y. Don't forget the power of y here is 1, just one y. The power here is 1. So we pick one of the y's and add the power, so it will be 3 plus 1. So we have 12y. Let's follow it. 12 times y plus this is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 12 times y raised to the power of 4 is 12y raised to the power of 4. Now this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching.